Welcome to next series of session in Selenium WebDriver. In this class, we are going to cover file upload using Selenium WebDriver with Java. Let's start. Selenium cannot handle operating system pop-ups directly. For file upload, we send the file path to the input type is equal to file element using sendKeys. Let's say we'll upload a simple file. Simple file upload, most common 99%. In 99% project, this type of file upload usually occurs or usually used. How exactly it will be? So in the HTML DOM, you will find input type is equal to file and some ID, either ID, name, anything kind of, but here is the ID. So ID will be upload file. So how exactly we are going to do that? So what is the Selenium Java code for that? So first we will instantiate WebDriver, driver is equal to new ChromeDriver, driver.manage.window.maximize, driver.get, let's say https:// the internet.heroku.com upload, then web element upload is equal to driver.find element by.id file upload, then upload dot send keys, and you will upload from a particular place, like for example in here it is C drive, but you can upload from anywhere, like it's for your requirement. For example, there is a resume.pdf, you want to upload a resume.pdf, so you can upload that, and after upload just click on driver.find by.id.click, you have to click on that. Okay, let's create one complete Java program so that you can understand it. Okay, simple file upload, complete Selenium Java program. How exactly it works? So when input type is equal to file, that time you can use sendKeys. No operating system dialog opens, most enterprise web apps. So let's complete one let's execute one complete program so that you can understand it in better way. Okay, let's before that, let me open the Chrome browser. Just will check whether that particular app is opening or not. As usual, how exactly we usually do. Let me open that. What is that called? The internet heroku.app.com upload. Okay, let's open this. That's how we always check. So okay, I believe this one, upload this one, I believe so. Let me inspect this, and yeah, type will be 1 minute. Input class is equal to button, ID is equal to file, submit, not this one, it will be this one, choose file, I believe. Oh sorry, 1 minute. Yes, so here see, type is equal to file and ID is equal to this, yeah, this one only. Okay, fine, perfect. Let's then create one class. Let's create a class. Let's say the class name is file upload example, like that. Okay, this is the most widely used file upload. So how you can use upload a file? This is one of the key concept in Selenium. So let's copy this and we can execute this one. Control C, Control V. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to make sure that we have a file, particular file. Okay, so let me find out some files which we can upload. Okay, let me, maybe in the download I can get something. 1 minute. Anil Raut, automation, test lead, resume, okay, fine. anything. We can just simple thing, we can MSCA registration number. I'm looking something I can take. One minute. Okay, so this document, suppose what I can do, I can keep it in somewhere. Let's say I will keep it in D drive. Okay, so in D drive, let me create one. Let me create one folder. So I will keep the folder name as file, anything, any name you can provide, but I am doing file demo, something like that. File upload demo, suppose. Upload, file upload, doc, file upload doc, suppose. And inside that I will keep it. Okay, from here I will upload. And I will just give a meaningful name, something like, let's say, test file. Okay, so from here I will just replace that particular path. Okay, he has there, but I have here. Okay, that's the difference, nothing else. So because I need a file to upload, right? So from here I will upload. So my file is inside D, then file upload doc, then after that the file name. Simple. Then Control C, Control V. This is my file name. Okay, perfect. So before that, let's just do one thing. Let's check it. So first it will launch the browser, it will maximize it, it will navigate to the application, and after that it will locate the file upload button. This one, which one? This one, right? It will inspect this element. Okay, then after that what it will do, it will just using that element, it will use sendKeys and it will send the file, upload the file. Okay, after uploading the file, it will click on the submit button, this button. Okay, if you will see manually what it will do, it will come here, it will just inspect this element, it will click and it will where is my file? Okay, it will come here, file upload doc, it will select it, it will open through sendKeys, it will do that. Then after that it will click on upload. Okay, it will click on upload. See, file uploaded successfully, test file.pdf, like that. I did this manually, same thing it will do it in automation. Okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. Okay, validated upload success. Oh yeah, also what it is doing, it is also taking the text. If you will see string upload text driver.findelement.id upload files dot get text, it is getting the text also. Which text? This text, upload file uploaded, I think this one. Okay, and what it does, upload files. Okay, by.id upload files. Then after that it will what it will do, it will display. Okay, then after that it will quit. Okay, let's execute this and you will see the result. Let's execute this. Let's execute this and we will see the result. Okay, see it upon the, see quickly it does test file.pdf, file of uploaded file test file.pdf. So basically it will capture the file name. Okay, test file.pdf. So here it will get the file name actually. Sorry, here by.id uploaded file.getState. Basically it is taking the file name and it is storing there and it is printing. See, I uploaded which file? Test file.pdf, right? the same one. It has it has taken the same one, test file.pdf. Basically it is getting from where? You will see from this one, actually this one. It is inspected this one. If you will see, okay, so here see id is uploaded files, right? See, if you will see here uploaded files, it is taken uploaded files. Okay, then it is getting the get text. Okay, quite clear. Okay, that's how you can upload a file. Perfect. Then okay, for him output is different. Okay, because he has uploaded resume.pdf. Okay, that's how. Which file you will upload, that name it will display. Simple. Okay, perfect. So no actions class needed. No actions class needed here. Works only if type is equal to file. But this one will work only if type is equal to file. Okay. Here, type is equal to file. Initially I told, I shown you, right? That one only. This one. If you will inspect, type is equal to file. Okay. It will work only when type is equal to file. Perfect. Then next proceed. Upload without clicking browse button. Okay, so you can upload without clicking the browse button also. How you will do that? You will do in this way. Even if the UI shows a browse or choose file button, Selenium does not click it. Okay. Driver.findElement by.id file upload .sendKeys c:/user, this one. Okay. Upload without clicking browse button, Selenium Java. How will upload without clicking browse button? Okay, let's see that. Here HTML is input type is equal to file, ID is equal to file upload, button browse. Okay, Selenium ignores the button and works directly with input type is equal to file. That means without clicking this upload, it will directly upload the file. Okay, first what we did, we selected, then we click on upload, then only it is uploaded. But here without clicking upload button also, how it will upload the file? Okay, let's see that. Let's see the example, then you can understand it better. Okay, so upload without browse button. Okay, see how it is doing. Without browse button means, okay, I will tell you basically. Okay, so what we are doing, we are clicking here. Okay, then after that we are going here, selecting and opening, right? We will not do such type of things. Without doing that, directly it will upload. That is the thing. Okay, understood? Let's do that. Let's create one program so that you will you will be clear more. After execution only you will be clear. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's create one class and let's give the class name 1 minute. Upload without browse button. Okay, let's give that name. Okay, then let's just copy paste for saving the time, because our execution is important. Execution and understanding, that is important, not that's the most important thing. Okay, let's paste this. Okay, here just change the path, same path we can, because we require a file, right? So just use this same path and same file. What we can do, instead of that, just replace this. Okay, see first understand the difference. What is the difference? So here what it is doing, without browsing. So what it does, let's see. First it open the application, then after that it will get the which one? It will get the upload file. It will get the ID of the upload button, that upload, this one. this one, choose file, right? Sorry, choose file, this ID it will get. Then after getting that ID, it will just directly send the file. Okay, then after that it will click on submit button. Okay, and also it will get the which one? It will also get the text. Okay, just 1 minute. So just 1 minute. Let me. 1 minute. Upload without clicking browse button. Selenium Java. Let me find out just in case if anything different example is there, right? So that will be better, right? Let's see. Complete working example. Let me see if there is any upload without clicking browse button. Selenium Java. This is the most common approach used in approach. Okay. So let me see if the same example or different example. This is a 1 minute. String upload file. Good text. Verify upload, submit upload button. Upload file without clicking browse button, right? Upload.sendKeys. Upload.sendKeys. Okay, so here just I'm trying to understand, right? Upload.sendKeys. Okay, and here sendKeys. Okay, sendKeys absolute path. Okay, so basically if you see here, it is almost kind of similar, I believe. So 1 minute. What it is trying to tell is upload without browse button, right? So directly, okay, I will tell you. So basically it is finding the ID, then directly uploading. Okay, I will tell you what exactly it is doing. 1 minute. So what we do, we just click here first thing, then we'll browse to the which one? Browse to the place where the file is located, then we select that, then we click on open, right? Those things we do. But the automation script will not do that directly without that step. Which step? Browse step. It will upload. That is a simple thing. I think almost same, like this one and that one same. I don't think it is a big one. I understand now. Okay, so let's execute this. It will basically skip that. You will not see that step. Like it will click on choose. It will browse to that particular place where the file is uploaded. Then it will select the file. It will open. Then only it will be uploaded, right? It will basically skip that step, browse step, and directly it will upload by finding the element of that particular choose button, that upload button. Okay, not upload button, basically this one, upload this place. It is kind of a upload button, yes, you can tell that also, but this is a upload button. It is confusing. Basically this one, I mean to say choosing file button mainly. So this step will be not required. It will skip that step. Okay, let's execute this. It is almost same actually. So let's execute this. Just observe. We will not see that step. Just observe. It will happen quickly. Just observe that. Okay. So see, quickly it will do. See, it will not. See, it didn't open anything, right? Directly it is just uploaded. That's the thing. Okay, absolutely working fine. So let's proceed further. I think it's clearly understood. So 1 second. This is done. Okay, how will you explain in the interview? You must say Selenium cannot handle operating system dialogues, so we directly send the file path to the input type is equal to file element instead of clicking browse. Simple. Instead of clicking browse, directly we send the file. Okay, simple. That way you tell simply, because Selenium cannot handle operating system dialog. Okay, dialog means this one. This is the dialog, correct? This one. This is the dialog, right? This is the window dialog. This one. So Selenium cannot able to handle this one, right? Because this is a different one. So that's why directly we send the file. That's how we can tell. Okay. Directly send the file path to the input type is equal to file element instead of clicking browse. Okay. You tell this way only. Okay. Okay, clearly understood. Just to read and practice and remember. Yeah, that's it. Then why click will not work? Again, there is one more question. Why click won't work? Will not work? There might be a question. Driver.findElement by.id file upload.click. Why it will not work? Why? Because it opens OS dialog which Selenium cannot control. This one, right? This OS dialog. So OS dialog, Selenium cannot control, cannot able to work on OS dialog because Selenium only works on browser. This is not a browser. This is a OS dialog, window dialog, operating system level dialog. So Selenium cannot able to handle this. Okay. So that's why click will not work. If you want to click here, it will not work. Simple. Directly you send the file. Okay. Simple. Then okay, next. What is the correct approach? The correct approach is usually upload using sendKeys. How we did earlier. Okay. That's all. Just tell that in the interview. If the interview will ask why click will not work, you tell that because it opens OS dialog which Selenium cannot control. Because Selenium only work on browser. And if they will ask what is the correct approach, you will tell that upload using sendKeys. What we did earlier in two examples. That way we can able to handle. For example, here web element upload is equal to driver.findElement by.id. First we will find the ID of that particular upload. Then we'll send keys to that particular anything. See here it is uploaded image, file, anything you can upload. Whatever you want you can upload that. Okay. Then directly sets file path. So what it does, it is directly sets the file path. Bypasses OS dialog. It doesn't open OS dialog, right? Directly to upload. Then works with 99% of projects. 99% of project usually use this. Okay. Perfect. Again same example. It's not I don't think it will be a different example. Same one only. See, same example. Okay. Then again, for example, interviewer. How will tell the to interviewer you can tell that click opens the OS file dialog and Selenium cannot automate OS level windows, so we use sendKeys to upload files. Similar things like they can ask in different way. That's what I have repeated. Okay, next one. Upload using relative path. How you will upload using relative path? Okay. So how you will do that? So you can use string file path is equal system.get property user.dir plus your resume. Means here in this program resume has been used. You can do anything, any kind of upload. Any file you can use. So then you will send driver.findElement by.id this and sendKeys file path. Just provide the file path. Okay, simple. Let's do one thing. Let's create one program so that you can understand it. 1 minute. So that you can understand it in better manner. Okay. Let's create one class and let's give the class name as 1 minute. Let's give the class name as same. Upload using relative path. Okay. And let's use the same program for saving timing. Okay. Let's do one thing. We need to change the path, right? Okay, so test data user dir double slash plus file path resume dot pdf. Okay, 1 minute. File upload. Basically what it does, it kept the okay, let's do one thing. Let's complete the theoretical part. Maybe I will execute the program. Okay, and I will send you the video. I need to fix that actually. There is some issue with the IntelliJ, I believe. Okay, so what it does basically, it will create one. If you will see the program, basically it will open the application. Then after that, it will create one directory here in the project itself. In the project directory, it will create one folder that is test data, and inside that there will be one there will be one resume.pdf. There will be one file basically. So that file will be uploaded. Okay, simple thing. Instead of uploading from your driver, it will basically upload from your directory, project directory, and first it will find the element. First it will find the element, and it will just use upload.sendKeys. We are providing the full path. Instead of full path, just will provide the path name, because here exactly the file is present. Other thing remains same, like driver.find by.id. Then it will click on the submit button. Then after that it will get the file name. Simple. Like instead of using the full file, it will use the file path name. That's the difference, nothing else. So okay, then here the best practice will be CI/CD and Jenkins. Okay, next one will be upload when element is hidden. Let's say sometimes the element will be hidden. That time how we are going to upload the element. Okay, upload the file. So what we will do, we will use JavaScript executor. I think already I shown in earlier cases, like how we scroll down using JavaScript executor. That's how we can use JavaScript executor. We can use using file upload, for file upload also. Okay, so how will we use that? JavaScript executor JS is equal to JavaScript executor of driver, then js.execute script, arguments of 0.style.display is equal to block, and upload. So upload.sendKeys will upload the file using JavaScript executor. Okay, upload when file input is hidden, that is using JavaScript. The file input is hidden using CSS, display none. Selenium cannot interact with hidden elements. Okay, so that's how we'll use JavaScript executor. How it does? Basically, what it will do, see. Okay, so it will locate the hidden element, hidden file input. So how will it locate? First it will find the element, driver.find element by.id, and it will upload. It will store in upload input. Then it will use a JavaScript executor, make a hidden element visible using JavaScript executor. Okay, so how will it will do that? JavaScript executor JS is equal to JavaScript executor of driver, then js.execute script, arguments of 0.style.display is equal to block, and it will use semicolon, then comma, upload input, then semicolon, then upload file using relative path. So how it will upload the file using relative path? So it will use string file path is equal to system.get property user directory, that directory which we used earlier, and file.separator plus test data, file.separator plus resume.pdf. Okay, here it will keep the PDF, then upload input.sendKeys file path. Earlier we did that, right? Then submit upload for driver.find element by.id file submit.click. Then validation, we need to validate like the file name. That's how we did earlier. So it will basically validate the file name, and it will quit the browser. So in the interview, how will I explain? Just say that when the file input is hidden, I use JavaScript to make it visible, and then upload using sendKeys. Okay. Then after that, custom upload button. Let's say no input type is equal to file. Then custom upload button. Sorry, I think this is repeated, right? Okay. Let me save this. Yeah. So HTML typical modern UI. Button ID is equal to upload button, upload resume / button. Let's say there is no input type is equal to file in DOM. Clicking the button opens OS file dialog. So if you click on button, so it will open the OS file dialog, right? So why Selenium cannot upload here? Because what happens? Like it will open a OS driver, opens OS dialog. So Selenium cannot control OS level windows. sendKeys has nowhere to send the file path, because it will open the OS level windows. So sendKeys will not work. Okay, I think similar thing kind of it is repeated. If the so you just tell that if there is no input type is equal to file in DOM, Selenium cannot upload files directly. If DOM does not contain file input, Selenium cannot upload directly. Okay. Ask dev team to add input type is equal to file, use auto IT or robot class. Okay. Then last one for this topic, file upload using robot class. How you can upload a file using robot class? This is the end. Last one. Let's finish this, and I will fix the issue in my IntelliJ, and I will send the separate video to you for upload all these examples actually. Okay, I will do that. But let's finish the theoretical part. String selection file is equal to new string selection. So you have a file in a particular place, then toolkit.get default toolkit.get system clipboard.set contents file null. Robot, how we will do that? Robot is equal to new robot using robot class. Robot.delay 2000, you will wait for 2 seconds. Robot.keypress keyevent.vk underscore control. Robot.keypress keyevent.vk underscore v. This is the syntax. You cannot tell how. This is the syntax you need to remember. Like how you will use upload a file using robot class. The execution I will show you in another video. I will send you a video after fixing my issue. Robot.keyRelease keyevent.vk underscore v. Robot.keyRelease keyevent.vk underscore control. Robot.keypress keyevent.vk underscore enter. Robot.keyRelease keyevent.vk underscore enter. And when do you use robot class? Custom upload button, OS file dialog opens, no input type is equal to file in DOM. In this scenario, you can use robot class when there is a custom upload button. OS file dialog opens, input type is equal to file is not present in the DOM. Not preferred for CI/CD, but interviewers expect you to know this. Okay. File upload using robot class, complete example. Selenium plus robot program. Okay. This is the end. Yeah, let's finish the theoretical part in 5 minutes, and we'll end the session. Yeah. So how it does? It will use one class file upload using robot. Publish static void main string address throws exception. WebDriver driver is equal new ChromeDriver, and it will basically open the application. Then after that, click on upload button. Opens OS dialog. Driver.final by.id file upload.click. It will open the OS dialog. Then what will do? Copy file path to clipboard. So string file path is equal to C colon this where is your file basically. Then string selection is equal to string selection of file path. Then toolkit.get default toolkit.get system clipboard.set content selection comma null. This is the syntax you need to remember. It's not about how, you need to remember all the things. Then by practice. Then after that, robot class. Use robot class to parse and press enter. So how it will do? Robot is equal to new robot. It will wait for 2 seconds. robot dot delay 2000, then control plus B. Then first you use robot to paste and press enter, then you will use control V. So how will you use? Robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore control, robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore v, then robot dot key release key event dot vk underscore v, robot dot key release key event dot vk underscore control. Okay, then robot dot delay 1000, so it will wait for 1 second, then you will enter control V. After that you will enter, then robot dot key press key event dot vk underscore enter, robot dot key release key event dot vk underscore enter. So these are the different ways, and after that you will upload, then after that you will click on submit, driver dot find element by dot id, then everything remains same, system file uploaded using robot class, driver dot quit. So all these two programs I am going to create a separate video and I will share with you basically the execution part after fixing my IntelliJ issue. Okay, don't worry, that I am going to share you. Then okay, let's cover the remaining things. So in interview, what you will do, robot class interacts with OS level dialogues by simulating keyboard events which Selenium cannot do. Okay, Selenium cannot do the OS level dialog handling. Okay, so robot class basically use the keyboard events. This is not recommended for CI/CD pipelines. Okay, what interviewer will question you? Can Selenium handle file upload? Yes, using sendKeys on input type is equal to file. Can Selenium handle OS pop-ups? No. Best approach, sendKeys, file path. Okay. Then what is the real-time usage? Like you can usage of file upload. You can upload a resume upload, image upload, document submission, KYC verification, bug attachments. So these are the use cases, uses in real time. Okay, that's it for today, and we'll come up with some new series. Till then, take care, bye bye.